Everybody, hello guys. Today we're at IC's den because she was gonna do a role playing on, and she's gonna be filming. I do not know how to edit, but just pretend this is the bee. I'm beautiful bee. If you have lag problems, seals aren't beautiful. I totally agree. I totally agree. Who's advertising? Who's advertising? Yeah, I'm turning off my off. Now I don't have lag problems. Oh my god, this is actually very good. This is very good. Where'd she go? Why are people climbing that? Let me try. Ooh, I can actually climb that. Oh my god, that was actually very cool. It's a seal. If you came to the event. Yes, you just came. They're overrated. This is not my main LC, but I might actually start using this as my main. I got one because I have no stuff. I like articles, but field seals are like, yeah. Yeah, I agree. I don't have a seal. Use your brains. I mean, this is kind of an elephant. Stop screaming at me. It's hot. What do you mean? I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. I went AFK. Oh, I have a way. What? Nah, an Arctic wolf doesn't even look like a real one. Oh my god, I totally agree. Like, ew, what is this design? What is this? That don't even look like it. I hope your account doesn't get banned. Where is she? 398. What do you mean 398? How? Just in case. Souls? What do you mean? Souls. Stop saying souls. My dad to load the trap. Why are you loading the truck? It ain't your business. Felix. Taco. Gender, they, them. Wait, what? There. Where is IC? She's probably like doing something real quick. Hold on, wait a minute, guys. I'm gonna go check real quick on my thingy. You wanna hang out? So many people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many people are there? People said it was a drop. I think this is a drop. Okay, this is kind of like the Cherry Pastor event I went to. I actually was managed to get to HH2's event. Just to let you guys. Whenever the den was kind of not full, I actually went there. So, yes. This is side of wolves. Wolves. What? Shout out have to drop the skit. I think she's like advertising. Because I see here yet. IDK. I think this is an event or something. I think I am at an event. I really want to be a steal. Well, if you joined early, like in 2024, you could get the Fab token. Token. I see. I have a question. Wolves are overrated. Are so over. Don't matter, guys. No offense. We have more. No offense. Wolves are because. Those a ship at the wolves. We are not bald. Yes, you are bald. Yes, you are bald, everybody. And we are not bald. I don't, there's Titanic. I'm still surviving. Boo. Ultimate roast. Hold up, guys. I'm typing something real quick. It's a video. I'm recording. Hello. I know, right? You be saying. Baldies. Oh, I do not like Arctic wolves. I like the real Arctic wolves, but I don't like Arctic wolves and Animal Jam. They're just super rude. How do we do this? Arctic wolves. Are you serious? Chica bone. What the heck is this? AJ's! Oh my god, AJ. Zero. Zero 10. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. Seal forever. Oh my god, I totally agree. Oh my god, wolves are OG. Oh my god, they're. Alright guys, if you're on my team, if you're on Seal team, smash like. If you're on Arctic Wolf team, smash subscribe or comment. And if you're on both team, you can do everything. If you want, guys, I'm not begging. Seals versus Arctic Wolves. Are more better. Seals are more better. They're not overpowered. Because. Why is your team rated? They're more realistic. They're more realistic. The seals are more realistic. They're more realistic. Seals! Everybody! Seals! 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 She's recording! Yo! She's recording! Seals! You might drop! Oh my god! That would actually be really insane. Seals. Team Seal like Team Arctic Wolf comment. We are the mascot of Animal Jam. You wait until I see my game. Until you see my game that says no Arctic Wolves allowed. So Animal Jam will collapse. Seals look like seals. Seals look like seals. Seals look like seals. Wait, guys, she might draw, Overrated. They're too overrated. They're too overrated. OMG! She just dropped everybody. She just, oh my god. Yo, that's insane. Everybody clap. Shit, my god. Thank you, I say. Oh my god. I should put it in. I am so happy I came to her event. I might have to do something. Seals real AJ. Guys are. You guys are too overrated.